Looking to find someone on Facebook using just their phone number? Whether you're reconnecting with a friend or trying to identify a missed call, here's the easiest way to search by phone number on Facebook. First, open the Facebook app or go to facebook.com on your browser. Tap the search bar at the top of the screen. Now, instead of typing in a name, enter the full phone number, including the country code if it's an international number. If that number is linked to a Facebook account and their privacy settings allow phone number searches, their profile will appear in the results. From there, you can view their profile, send a friend request, or message them if permitted. But keep this in mind, many users disable phone number searches in their privacy settings. So if nothing shows up, it's likely they've hidden their number from public search or haven't linked it to their account. That's how to quickly search for someone on Facebook using just their phone number. If this helped, be sure to like and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.